ഡിഗ്രി ലെവൽ മെയിൻസിൻ്റെ ഭാഗമായി നടന്ന അസിസ്റ്റൻ്റ് ജയിലർ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറിൻ്റെ പ്രൊവിഷണൽ ആൻസർ കീയാണ് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. വിച്ച് ഓഫ് ദ ഫോളോയിങ് ലീഡേഴ്സ് സൈൻഡ് ദ അറ്റ്ലാന്റിക് ചാർട്ടർ ഓൺ 14th August 1941? ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി ഫ്രാങ്ക്ലിൻ ഡി റൂസ്വെൽറ്റ് ആൻഡ് വിൻസ്റ്റൺ ചർച്ചിൽ. നെയിം ദ ലീഡർ ഓഫ് റഷ്യൻ റെവല്യൂഷൻ ഓഫ് 1905? ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി ഫാദർ ഗ്യാപ്പൺ. Who introduced annual budgets called പതിവ് കണക്ക് for the first time in Travancore? ഓപ്ഷൻ സി മാർത്താണ്ഡവർമ്മ. Which of the following revolutionary assassinated Mr. Ashe, British collector of Tirunelveli? ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി വാഞ്ചി അയ്യർ. In which of the following place parallel government was established during the period of Quit India movement? ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി ബല്ലിയ. The British Prime Minister Liz Truss belonged to which of the following political party? Option C Conservative Party. Which of the following statement is or are correct about the interior of the earth? Option C only 1 and 3. Which of the following statement is or are correct about the warm currents? Option C only 3. Which of the following statement is or are correct about Kareva's formation? Option B only 2. Which of the following statement is or are correct about the sun synchronous satellites? Option C 1 and 3 only. Which of the following statement is or are correct about the fine grains in India? Option D only 3. Which one of the following statement is or are correct about the western boundary of the Ukraine? Option C only 3. Who will exercise veto power over all the key aspects of GST including rates? Option C Union Finance Minister. A specialized money market institution in India which has been established with the objective of providing liquidity to money market instruments. Option A DFHI. Which of the following statement about Niti Aayog is not correct? Option D. It had powers to allocate funds to ministers and the state government. The effect of direct tax is on. Option D income. Who initiated open economic system in Indian economy? Option B Manmohan Singh. Who was the founder of Evergreen Revolution in India? Option B M.S. Swaminathan. President of India has to act on the aid and advice of. Option B Council of Ministers with the Prime Minister. Fundamental rights are discussed under which part of the Indian Constitution? Option C Part 3. Right to education is inserted under fundamental rights by which constitutional amendments? Option C 86th Amendment Act 2002. Article 15 of the Constitution deals with the prohibition of discrimination on grounds of. Option A religion, race, caste, sex or place of birth. 73rd and 74th Constitutional Amendment refers to. Option B Panchayats and municipalities. Public interest litigation can be filed in. Option C both Supreme Court and High Court. Union list in 7th schedule of the Constitution includes which of the following? Option A arms, firearms, ammunition and explosives. Official languages are recognized under 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution. Option D 22. Where is the seat of International Court of Justice? Option A Hague. Which of the following statement regarding Article 323A is or are true? Option C only 1 and 3. Principle of non-stigmatism semantics means adversarial or accusatory words are not to be used in the process of pertaining to a child. Which one of the following pillars is not included in the Export Preparedness Index 2020 prepared by Niti Aayog? Option A political system. The principle of natural justice, nemo judex in causa sua, means. Option C no one should be made a judge in his own cause and the rule against bias. Which article says that all laws in force in the territory of India, in so far as they are inconsistent with the provision of the Part 3, shall, to the extent of such inconsistency, be void? Option A Article 13. Name the digital learning platform of MGNREGS. Option D, E-Saksham. Choose the correct statement from the following. Option C, only 4. Match the following. Answer is option B, PWQYRUSV. From the given list of statements, choose the incorrect statement. Option B, only 1. Which of the following is not a salient feature of the Ardhram mission launched by the Government of Kerala? Option D, super specialty services in Taluk hospitals. Zika virus disease was first identified in dash country in 1947. It was, however, first reported in Kerala on 8th July 2021 from dash district. Option A, Uganda, Thiruvananthapuram. When a force is applied on a moving body, its motion is retarded. Then the work done is option B, negative. If both mass and radius of Earth decreases by 1%, then option A, acceleration due to gravity would increase. The number of images observable between two parallel plane mirrors is infinity. Current director of Satish Dhawan Space Center Sriharikota is option C, A. Rajarajan. The following graph illustrates option B, Boyle's law. Which of the following statement is true about ideal solution? Both option C, both A and B. Nitrogen does not form NCl5 while phosphorus form PCl5. It is due to availability of vacant d orbitals in P but not in N. The Nobel Prize in Chemistry for the year 2021 was jointly awarded to Benjamin List and David Macmillan for their work in option D, the development of asymmetric organocatalysis. The musical dance form of Satriya is from which state? Option B, Assam. Which literary work belongs to classical Sanskrit literature? Option D, Meghadutam. Which terms are used to describe parts of cricket bat? Option C, shoulders and toe. How many team members are present in each team of a handball game? Option A, 7.